Oh, what? You serious right now? I'm looking for an explosion up on the pound and the euro and down on the dollar. I mean, you know, if you're gonna buy, a lot of times you'll see a good opportunity around a key level, depending on what structure's doing. So you just have to take a holistic approach. I just want to cover the costs of the trade this time when I close it. So I'd like to see it get above 460 something. The last time I perfect. All right, I'm done for the day. You gotta be quick. My goal was 450, and that was it. Now it could keep going up, and it probably will. I'm expecting personally very, very high prices throughout the day, but my own personal goal for today was 5,450 because of this. So I already talked about that in my other video, that I wanted to reach a certain level to give myself cushion for the minimum profitable days, 3 minimal profitable days of $25, and I gotta go back in 2 more days and get 25 each. So, yeah, I mean, a little risky, a lot of trading, just to get that little bit, because over here, I had closed at, whatever this number, profit, I had 422. That was where I was at. Close that. So now it's 451. Actually, I don't have to do the math. 451.50. That's where I ended up at. $451.50. So that's what I got for the day. And then I was saying for what you actually are trading with is $250. So, so that was my actual for the day, like I was talking about in the other video. And it looks like I took profits just in time, like that little scramble. Like I said, it could keep going up. I don't know, but I'm done. So 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm already done, so that's good. I would have been done back here, but I just wasn't satisfied with 5,422. I wanted 5,450. Ultimately, I ended up getting it after, some struggles. You see, I bought here, kept buying. You know, finally I got out, and then I saw something over here that, you know, or I saw something somewhere that made me want to buy again. So I tripled down because I was only in 4 positions here, 0.25 lots, and then I entered eight down here, and I exited all up here, but it didn't cover my costs, so I bought 8 more. I bought 4 here, 4 more here, and then got out here, and that was just crazy. 5,451. Like I said, it's probably going to keep going up, but you know, and that this is not financial advice, but my mindset has shifted. Used to, in the past, let me tell you something real quick before I get off there. In the past, I would be trying to short this thing to kingdom come. I would be selling here, getting stopped out here. I'd be, you know, I'd be like selling here, and then watch here in a minute, you'll see that gets taken out. And like, I was always trying to pick bottoms or tops and bottoms, and like I would short here. I'd be selling the crap out of this right here. I'd be like, yeah, sell, and then it'd start going up. I'd get all mad. Here's the thing. What I've found out, really, look at this. Even you made a lower low here, but watch. It's getting ready to make another higher high, I betcha. But what I've just discovered is like, don't be afraid to keep buying. You know, it's like, there's just like some psychology there. You know, you have to have a higher time frame narrative. And like I showed in the other video, my thought is that we're probably, look, there it goes, it's going up. Probably going up to visit this liquidity up here. Probably tomorrow. So what I was saying was, New York session, I expect price to drive up to this level, consolidate around here for tomorrow. CPI, my expectation is it'll probably sweep liquidity, and we may see price go back down for a while. I don't know, maybe sweep this low and then go back up. I don't know for sure, but I just have this idea also because after midnight, as ICT teaches in the concept power of 3, a lot of times price will dip down right after midnight and then go up like that. If you look at the daily candles, how they form, look at this daily candle. You see how it opened here, went down, now it's going up. You want to buy below the open and then take profit somewhere, you know, the previous day's high somewhere or something. You know, you'll see that a lot of time. Whatever. I mean, there's levels you have to pay attention to, and there's a lot that goes into it, but that was one of the reasons why. That's one of the reasons why I think it's going to keep going up. But like I said in the last video, there's this halfway. This is the average true daily range, and almost every time, like what I've always noticed is like there's a tendency to retrace at the halfway point, and you know, honestly, I thought it was going to retrace, and it still might retrace more, because I thought it would retrace down to this level at least, but it might not. So I'm saying if it does retrace, I don't expect it just to keep going down. I would expect it to have some kind of reaction in this area off this level, probably right here, and then continue going up in New York session up to here. It'll kind of be my narrative. Even though you just saw me buying, it's just that my mindset nowadays is such that, you know, if it's going up, keep buying. You know, that was not my mindset for the last 2 years. My mindset for the last 2 years was pick tops and pick bottoms always. And, you know, I guess I don't know if I wanted to subconsciously just be smart or be right or both or what, or if I just thought, wow, this is going real high. You know, what goes up must come down, or I don't know what my logic was. I don't. But ever since I've switched, thanks to not just the trade, watching them has helped me to shift my mindset to something else, which actually makes money, which is what I'm doing now, which is just continuing to buy when it's going up, but obviously waiting for some kind of pullback or some kind of liquidity sweep or some kind of key level or something to buy. But this is not financial advice. Okay, disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Disclaimer. Yeah, so whatever. This is yeah, this will have to do for now. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And on and on. Yeah. Woo, there it goes. Yee-hoo. Woo-hoo. You see what I was saying about buying when it's going up? Yeah, but I'm not about to get back in. It took me 12:15, almost an hour, not quite. This trade was pretty, you know, not that long either. 9:08 to 11:38. So just over 2 hours. But anyway, my goal was 5,450, and yeah, this is not financial advice. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully this helped. So that's the one I just recorded a little bit ago. I'm gonna get ready to upload here in a minute, but yeah, all right, cool. I'm done. All right, thanks for watching.